Good morning. How you going? Thanks very much for stopping by. Today's video really quick, and it will be as soon as I get a screwdriver. Hang on. Watch the intro. Okay, how was it? That was alright. Most of you that follow the channel, you know that I've got the Pajero and we're sitting in it at the moment. My Pajero is a utility car. By that I mean I take it forward driving. It doesn't get treated particularly well. I use it to get me places. So I'm happy to push it through bush, do a bit of bush bash and all that sort of stuff. Fix things as they go wrong, and it's a project car effectively. I like to do things to it and stuff like that. So with that in mind, it's not always in tip-top condition. It's certainly not something I could pull up at a show and park it over and have anybody be the least bit interested in. So keep that in mind as I show you this. A little while ago, this center console just basically broke. This little catch broke, and I didn't realise, to be honest, I didn't have too much of a look at it to try and fix it. And I'd been driving along and this thing had been popping up, and I'd been sort of pushing it down with my arm and all sorts of stuff. Even went as far as hooking a bungee strap down the back here that I could pull up and latch on here, and that's been holding it down. I thought, I'm gonna have to go and buy a new console. Again, because this is sort of like a utility car for me, I take the dog in here and I don't care whether he gets anything wet or dirty or whatever. So consequently, he climbs over the back and he goes backwards and forwards over this thing, and it's made a bit of a mess. I wasn't too concerned about it when it broke, so that's why I haven't been in too much of a hurry to fix it, other than it just bothers me when it pops up, when that bungee strap goes. Anyway, so I jumped online. I thought I'd have a look and see if I could just purchase the top part. Good news is you don't have to. You can just buy the catch, and the catch was only like 15 bucks. I bought it. I'm worth it. So I'm kind of hoping that this is going to be the replacement part I need. Part number on it, it is MR532555. So it was listed as the top piece. Okay, it looks like it's going to be a match. Anyway, so it was like 15 bucks on eBay. So if you break your top catch, and I don't know how often these goes, this is the first time I've done one. If you break your top catch, 15 bucks, and you can sort it out. You don't need to do the bungee strap thing like me. Hook it around the bloody bottom of the seat. So as you can see here, it is literally just two screws, Phillips head. So one there, one there. I'm pretty happy about this, I've got to tell you, because I honestly thought I was up for a new console, and I have seen options for that. And I know that screw come out the other side, but figure we'll give the little guy some variation. Change is as good as a holiday. Alright, so that certainly seems to work. So let's see if it holds. Okay, so just a pro tip for those watching along at home. This one opens the top one. This one opens the bottom one. And I don't know whether you've noticed you've got this one here as well. If you hold that up, you can slide this backwards and forwards. Now there's nothing at the back of interest, it's just a flat spot. So that's it, that's today's video, just how to change that little latch on your center console in your Pajero. It's less than a 1 minute job, and it was 15 bucks. So if yours is gone and you're doing the same thing as me, bungee strapping or doing something along those lines, just link down in the description, eBay, it'll be an affiliate link. So go grab yourself one, take a minute, fix it up. because that whole arm thing was really starting to give me the shits. Thanks very much for stopping by. I'll catch you on the next one.